ebeko onyame no edoye saa sa nyame no edoye saa sa nyame no orepa yen orinja yen efrise odoyen saa se de etia no saa na yankopon edoyen nyame na waka no tam se obeboa yen no ele joy fatu tirim se nyame no edoyen na okura yen na odwen ye ho onye firi mu o ne dom ninti odaso kura ye saa enti nei fa cho tim se na aye da to so enkono obosu mienunum na we edo era enso eye Monday kojo ni adwo afo da opa ye happy soul day but the true Monday say ya adia ba ko ekaka ye pa ni say adwoada ye da ye di si ya do say we can handle whatever this week throws at us. Adwoada bia so ya no pa as the beautiful morning for the working week or the days ahead of you no catch on say adwoada no anaye day a catch say we can handle everything that comes throughout the week. Arabia beba na watching mu no oyakopo ne dom ne na homo broti saaria na ye betimi adiso saare kwa na ye betimi adiso enti Christina Emery I say Monday is for people with a mission. Monday is for people with mission. Monday adwoada bia no eye ma wona wo wa sudie bi wona opeso odru bibi adwoada bia I want to remind you say and joy is not exception. It's not an exception at all. Our best official chim say aso ya da ya area mayen na aso da no eye da ya de ya bibi foforo kra. Forget about what has happened. We cannot forget about say arabakoye say ma ankoyi. We cannot be ma refi. Adwoada is a new mission for vision careers. Ezoko company bia udru adma na ya mission statement. Ya vision statement. It's not for writing sake. One is for what and one is for how. And I will pay and joy. What no other may take you through. What are the things that you are designing for the week? And ever been I want to share every run our chifu frame. What are the things that you are planning? What are the mission? Dear Nesu and so now watching. Nyame abodi pebiano. Or the obia pe aman. Or the adwin atu nipa trim. The etia nipa down so. E chain e moa ene se. E nipa wa adwin a obetimi adia ye make a decision. Adwin eda ye trim se yamfa adwin. Sharia ya ma wonsa osaro timididie osaro timidie niema odo onsaye no saa do ma wa no so de bekasa o ma wini so be hu miafam you breathe in and you breathe out ma woni so de be hu ade ga me de ma ye bia for a reason ade ga me de ma ye bia no eye wo botaye entia o de ma yen de ga me de ma ye bia no for a reason. Or I'm not found my qua. And I'll pray what I'm asking you to say. I train on Yamidi my say and find your day. Yamidi I drain no and my say and find drink. I'll pray for Sergeant a year Juma. My drain no and chassis and ya Juma. My journey Juma. Now and a joy. Catch all who say Yamino. Nyameno a obo no obo nipa kwa ani nyina obo nipa sudi nyina. It's for a reason. Onim dientia odo ba asasi so. And that reason that purpose, that mission will be accomplished. Sadia na yame ade ma wotia ntu wasasi so no. Asadia no no kwasam se ebebam. That mission will be accomplished. Enti mawabemu mukra. Yasha na watufufuro yasi. Mawabemu mukra da. That mission will be accomplished. Ebebem. Anopai, the mission will be fulfilled. The mission will be accomplished. Sa mission no ebebem enejui. Na ayenkakra enkakra. Odo na me de man na esunko. You don't need a prophet to tell you who here difference obeka to say. Nyame do na ode ma wo no edam surunko. The fact said nyamanko ye it doesn't mean say nyame endo ada nyame wa pai wo. Nyame o se on pai wo. I want you to get that thing. Ebe ye wati. That mission will be accomplished. And befa, the mission will be accomplished. And about also na song what they say. There is a mission, and that mission need fulfillment, and that mission will be fulfilled. It is there the sewer so that our tribu. And they part the sewer so that our tribu. Say that mission will certainly be accomplished. Don't throw in the towel yet. And towel no engum say. There is a mission that you need to be accomplished, and that mission will be accomplished by you and you and you. So there was a bambu no. But tired was a bamu. Our permission cry say, Sabutayano a bebem. And found any assorted I bebo. And found any yama, ye be rum, a yawa, ye be fum, any tanya, ye be fum, quadanda, ye be fum, a comwa, a betting. That mission will be accomplished. This is where I can say you are not into the mission, and that mission no sa botayano where wakasa ya can say botaye we dia onko ho ba so ya wadwo so obekọ botaye no ho a botaye no ebebem botaye no ebebem anopai albo tufo nya kropon Ibobro hu na doso ti na somdwe abra somdwe nyina suti arapa ma na somdwe no emra so arapa what we ask for is that may the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us now and forevermore. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. And that's Monday morning, the 9th day in the second month. Your friend Nana Kwame, also Nkwantabisa. Always my friend Nana Nkwantabisa. I'll pay my jimre. Some of us somo. When you are better than I say. Now you somo, no cream, a without fear or favor. Then you saw me, you better be Drew, baby. I will say Drew. See, I say, conform your major responsibilities, we will put them to their toes. I feel what I are so yaka. Ya drink your man, ya who said ye, ye besi iron man. Wosom, onyinipa. It is a beautiful Monday morning. Me pie and say, you want Yankupon a shout. No bad your baby, any. I don't pay very come on. Odo I was so Easter. About to walk so na. About to name some dear baby. Ya basha about to yasena me catch or say. Mammy couldn't any jam. The late Twari, ne wife, ejinem, mama Twari, wife, ejinem, giddy. A drawing vetting. Mammy Queen Islam. and she any amanye ukunu free mu a and I think it's in that can tribe don so wontimi mpie sa also ye widow rights no any ade a ti ba me edru vertin kwa no mu e please say umben version eno no ye ka bia party ni hyehyɛ party ni hyehyɛ ti edru ba bi na also mu to ma cover ma me ne wa so si free cam obekɔ office so after vertin sa do de betem cameras were not allowed to interview the woman baba jama enso so every high commissioner wa Nigeria na agro we Ghana fo ani so agro pa ye friend agro to bia tena se dwan what is happening apa ye bedi ho komo pa na matisa majority ni so say akwa mo fa so mo twetwa moto oya delegate ayo so is dia na no pay masa obi de ka ho akwa dan ni ka o ya ma moto ya ma 32-inch color television flat screen bi LED bi sa enso so na ya ma 3,000 allegations across do ebi omo ni kura no ebi ma gari ya ba kivo ibi o ma bi ebi ma ayi yakane say detergent omo ni ade a omo ma bi jaza eni pa ba ko be kodo kura moto okura TV okura 3,000 okura gari ya mixe ne dada okura cheshe nyama o de be free ho aba na bi abusa ho se sa okwa akwaji tumi so ba be so manfo a what is happening our so is not in fact it was interesting maybe I have the videos and audio so ha mama won hu nyoma so na say that ni jeni akuafo ntem if I don't know what I'm say akuafo na sha say tag me with videos of Dr. Ade Akye. Most respected Dr. Ade Akye. Me, there's one thing I can respect you, but when the right thing is not being done, I will tell you a Kwame Pastor say openya we di enya sa. We talked about that Koko Fawzika wasem grant interview with the PRO TV. Dr. Ade Akye akwatira baby keka kansem. Chastising some of us criticize constructively, say silly. But on the pay he has granted a silly interview and his own queen will be telling you what happened. It's my komra. Na yaba yebedi komo. Orlando ni team na ready. Yamomu emra mesum. Mame komra.